You're a bloody comedian.
I try not to be, but it ends up that way. All right.
Clown.
I thought I'd bring in
What did you think
some
you'd bring in?
sets to help you choose doing your train set. So just say you don't want to get just a train set with the fixed locomotive that's in a box. You know,
Why not?
Like the one we've got behind us, like the Scotsman. Just say the Scotsman has got the train, the loco, the track, the controller, but you don't like the loco. So if you want to do your own thing, you can actually get these track packs. Okay? And they're in different scales.
But these can also be used to add on.
I'm
assuming.
You can, absolutely. But they make a perfect starter because they give you an oval and a basic turn off.
Yes.
Okay, so you've got HO.
HO.
Okay, so that's the biggest scale we work with.
Or 00.
Or 00.
Can you call it 00?
You can. And then we got 009, which is on 9mm track.
Do we have 009?
Yeah, we've got a 009 one.
That is my favourite.
So it's basically the same width as N scale, which I've got here. So that's the N scale one.
9mm.
Yeah.
But the sleepers are further
The sleeper
apart.
spacing is further away because it's actually a bigger scale.
I didn't know that we had
There you
that.
go. So we've got those. So we've got the 3 you can choose from.
Because I don't think there's any such thing as a 009 set.
There isn't. There isn't. But
There
this
you
is
go.
the best way of making one.
Well, there you go.
Okay, so once you choose what scale and what basic starter set track you want, from there, all you need is you choose a loco you like.
Choo-choo.
That's it. And then you just need a controller like that. So we've got the KATO controller.
Now, we've got two main ones. We've got the combi controller.
Yes.
Combi, can I call it a
You
combi?
can call it combi.
And the KATO one.
That's right.
And I love the KATO one.
KATO one is modeled off a real train. So it's got that feel. It's got the levers, which are shaped like a real train one. Let's see.
It makes me want to put on my overalls and blow a whistle.
Excuse me.
You heard exactly what I said.
So just here, you got your little toggle switch for forward and reverse and off. And then here's your actual speed control. So just dial it across for the speed of the train.
It's much like Simon Healy's transmitter on the driver's stand.
Should we retrofit a radio into one of these?
That's how old he
And
is.
we'll walk up there and use one of these to drive the car around.
That's how old Simon is. He's got one of these.
He's your steering and he's your throttle. I think that'd be quite interesting. Maybe we should do that one day. Maybe not. But there you go. So that's how easy it is to get a train set going. You know, customize a train set. You don't have to think about which each individual bit you need.
And this is the power supply.
That's right.
So 240 volt in.
Yep.
12 volt out
That's right.
to your track.
That's it.
Bingo bongo.
Bingo bongo.
I love
Don't
it.
know who bingo is. Don't know who bongo is. But you get a set that's working.
They sound like people that like to play with trains.
I like to play with trains. What are you talking about? So
As long as they're not mine. As long as they're somebody else's.
it's as simple as that. So you didn't know all those.
I
different
didn't
sizes,
know that. I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I'm taking a 009. I
did you?
think,
009
that's,
one's pretty good, eh?
I think that's for me.
And this is all set track. So set track means that
What's
it's all
that track?
set track means it's fixed in its angles. So once you get this, it's really easy to even further expand.
And you don't have to solder it together or anything, can you? You can just like
press it together.
it's like
It's got flexi track. And so I've got flexi track in HO. There's the crazy track in 009.
and that's the
that's
perfect
the
match for
end.
this.
Yes. Yes,
And that will join to this set track.
it will.
Oh, I'm done.
And that's it.
That's enough.
Simple.
I'm done.
What'd you say again?
Yeah.
Bingo bongo. You're done.
Bingo bongo, you got a train set.
So trains aren't that difficult, really.
I make it difficult.
You love the challenge of making it difficult.
That's right.
It's terrible.
Well, it doesn't come natural to me.
No, it
So-
doesn't, does it?
It doesn't.
No.
It does not.
So that's it.
I love that.
So that's trains. Real simple.
If you make it simple.
Yeah.
And it just clicks together
Yep. Just press it together.
and you got your KATO thing.
Yep.
All you need is your hat, your overalls, and your whistle.
That's right. And a train. Only a few components.